In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dependencies in a Smartsheet project sheet and set up task predecessors. To get started, open your Smartsheet project sheet. This is the sheet where you're managing your project tasks and tracking the schedule. Before you make any changes, take a quick moment to confirm that your sheet is already structured for project planning. In particular, you want to make sure it includes both a start date column and an end date column. These date columns are important because Smartsheet uses them to calculate task timing and relationships once dependencies are turned on. If those columns are already there, you're ready to move forward. Next, click Project Settings. This is where Smartsheet lets you control how your project timeline behaves, including scheduling options and dependency settings. Once the Project Settings window opens, look for the option to turn on dependencies and enable it. This tells Smartsheet that your tasks should be linked together in a timeline rather than acting as completely independent items. After dependencies are enabled, confirm that the predecessors column appears in your sheet. This column is essential because it allows you to define which task needs to be completed before another one can begin. If you're looking at a long project sheet, it may help to scroll horizontally a bit or check the column list carefully so you don't miss it. Now you can set up the relationship between tasks. In the predecessors column for the task you want to schedule, enter the row number of the task that must happen first. For example, if one task cannot begin until the task in row 3 is complete, you would enter 3 as the predecessor. This creates a dependency link between those two tasks and helps Smartsheet automatically reflect the order of work in your schedule. Once you've entered the predecessor information, save the sheet and review the updated timeline. This is the best time to verify that the task sequence looks correct and that your schedule now reflects the intended flow of work. If the timeline updates as expected, then your dependencies are set up properly. That's it. You've successfully enabled dependencies in your Smartsheet project sheet, confirmed the predecessors column, and linked tasks using row numbers so your timeline is more accurate and easier to manage.